Now I need to go and see what's happening with the dropping. So we got, what are we doing? Inventory, implementation, inventory, because that's what determines the dropping behavior. So where are we dropping it? We're spawning it at a transform. What is the transform? It is a little bit in front of the player. So that's where it's going. We're doing a line trace. We're ignoring the player so it doesn't invalidate itself. We're starting here and ending here. What are we doing this for? So we start where the actor or where the character is. We go down a little bit. We go down to the floor to find where the floor is. And where we hit something, which is the floor, we then want to go a bit in front of the character. So that should be this should be in front of the character. Okay, so we're getting the direction in front of the character. That doesn't need to be here. That needs to be over here. So we're getting the character's rotation in the direction of its rotation. Oops. How far? 100 in both directions. So we're following it exactly in its direction. And then let's fix this comment. That's fine. Okay. Spawn the actor in front of the player. Otherwise, if it gets picked up, or otherwise, we'll just do that. I don't care about the other part. Because it'll be valid now because we're ignoring the player. It's fine. Before it used to spawn in the character and then it would be invalid. And then it would spawn in front of the chest and it was invalid, but then I had to make the items ignore collision boxes and stuff because that was making them go invalid. Okay, so we get the character. We get where he is. We go down to the ground. We also ignore the character. So that's fine. We then get his direction. In the direction he's looking, we go 100 meter or 100 centimeters in his. We go a meter in front in his direction, in the direction he's looking, and we then save that area. Oh, so the problem is actually the item itself. That's what it is. So we need to go to the dagger. This might bug something up, but I will find out. I'm worried that if I move it, it'll rotate or it'll move in the actual world. And I think it will, but we'll see. I think I can just adjust the character to fix that. So we'll do items, dagger, full blueprint. That is indeed what is happening. So it's putting it on the ground, but it's like this. I'm going to rotate it like this. So it's there. And I'm pretty sure when I pick it up, it'll be wonk. I equip it, and it is indeed wonk. Let's go to the skeletal mesh, make sure this hasn't changed. It has not. Cool. But now I need to go to the character and adjust how he equips it. So we'll go here. Oh, that needs to be removed for sure, because it bugs the simulation. Nope. Well, we're in the skeleton, so we can't anyway. But when I simulate and go to this guy, or go to this guy, the physics asset, and we do simulate, it bugs up. But the instant I remove all attached assets and go to it and then simulate, golden. Looks much better, which is very weird. Good job, Unreal. Bug. Okay. So we'll do the dagger's skeletal mesh. So the problem is the zeros. So 0, 0. If we snap it, then it should be fixing now. So if I adjusted the location, but the rotation is wonk 2. So if I just zero it out, the problem is it's like that. So but shouldn't I be snapping the rotation of this whole thing anyways? Can't rotate that, but I can rotate this. So if I go to the actual item slot where we're equipping the item, and we go to on drop, we go to where we would equip it. We're snapping to target. So it sounds like we're getting the rotation from the target. What if I instead tried keep relative just to test? Oh shit, wait, maybe that's it. Okay, and then if we brought it back to snap to target, what would happen? Oh wait, it's good now. Oh, maybe I just didn't compile the character. Okay. Let's try again. We're gonna rest. Can't cancel it, which is fine. We're getting down. Don't get down unless you really are ready. Please! Please! Beat him! Oh, thank God he got stuck. Okay, that's 3 coin flips in a row. So that's, wow, 1 out of 8, 16% or something. Oh, shouldn't be able to attack if I'm in an inventory. Okay. So if the inventory is open, if it's valid. Okay. Alright. That works. So fixed that. That was an issue with the dagger being dropped improperly. Oh wait. But I did set the rotation to be back to normal. Fuck. Maybe that's why. Damn it. That's why. So when I drop it, it's probably going to be fucked up still. Damn, I thought I fixed it. Okay, I did not. Probably not. Alright, so we'll do this, and then we'll drop it. Yep, I did not fix it. I did not at all. So if we do 90, we do this, and I pick it up and drop it. Well, it's still going to drop the same way. It gets small. Why? Why does it get small? I don't know why. Scale? Oh. What's the default scale? 1? The problem is that the scale is the scale that it gets with the character. I don't think I want to do that. So we're going to do keep relative and see if that fixes the sizing issue. So we pick it up, we equip it. Okay, the rotation's wonk, but it's fine for now. We drop it. Why the fuck? How about keep world? Okay. Please? No. Okay, so that part doesn't matter. I mean, maybe it is the same. It's just big at first. What's the scale on the dagger? 1? Or, well, let's just... put a dagger down. Yeah, that's why. The dagger's just fucking tiny. Yo, what? Dagger's just small. That's how big the dagger should be. Oh, there's multiple daggers over there. Okay. Wait, what? Okay, I don't know why there are daggers, but there were. What? Why is it spawning there? I am confused. Okay. Maybe it's because... no, the location is 0. So if we save everything... I don't see the dagger going anywhere. Yeah, I don't know what it's doing there. Don't know. Why the f... okay. Alright, so the dagger is big here. Does that... oops. What if I... it's a child of that, so surely that'll work. Put the dagger there. Yeah, that works. Okay. Alright. So you pick it up. Equip it. Oh, well, it's not... wait, it is equipped. What the fuck? I don't know where it is. Oh. It's not static? Which is static to it. Oh, movable. Oh, there we go. That might have bugged it. That might be why. 1, 1, 1. Then we do 3, 3, 3. We do movable. We do that. Okay, it was just wonky. Okay, I don't want to run this far. It's impossible. There it is. Okay, it's too big. It is too big. Okay. So now in the item slot, we're snapping to target. So in the character's skeleton, I bet you it's just being too big. Yes. So if we do remove, add, dagger. But we have it being snapped to target. This should be, oh, the problem is it's scaling it up. So then can't I just scale up the mesh itself from the dagger? So if I find this, can't I just scale this? I mean, right? That doesn't work. Okay. So I can't do it there. I can do it there, but then it's too big. Why is it so big? Well, we just keep relative and just try that. Too big. Keep world, final shot. That's the answer. Rotation is wonk though. Okay. Problem is I can't add... I can only add the skeletal mesh. I can't add anything else. Like I can add... What is this? Why is there a skeletal mesh? Like this isn't needed. It's not used anywhere. Wait, hold on. It's not used. Cool. Character, assets, weapons, mesh. So the problem is it's like this by default, so I have to rotate it. So I can't select all of it. I can only move it around in the actor and then add it. But in the preview, all I can add is the mesh. So if I did that, it would get too small. I mean, I guess the scale wasn't that big of a thing, but I want this to use the rotation of the character. But the problem is if I rotate it in here, all right, well, let's just try that. Maybe. We go back to this, pick up a dagger, equip it. It looks good. Okay, that's good. When I drop it, it goes to the floor like that. So I think that means I just have to rotate it when I drop it? Really? I mean, I want to add them to the world and have them be like that by default. So I would hope that if I just pick something up, the character rotates it automatically. Don't care about the bandage anymore or the animation. How about keep relative? Oh shit. Oh wait, hold on. No, because in the dagger I've changed it. Fuck. Okay. The dagger needs to be that. That's just what it needs to be. Did I not? I didn't compile it? God, I'm so fucking stupid. Okay. Yo? What the fuck? It's saved. It's good. It's there. Oh, I'm adding the mesh, dude. God, I'm so stupid. I really am. It's crazy. Alright. Items, dagger. Cool. Okay, got it. Makes me happy. Alright, cool. So if we do that, and we say keep relative, and I equip it, it does that. If I instead say snap to target, i.e. get what the slot tells you, it's still wrong. Dropping is good now. Testing dagger rotation. If we do instead keep world, if I drop it, pick it up that way, yeah, so keep world is definitely not it. It's gotta be snap to target, or not that, oops, keep world. It's gotta be snap to target for rotation. But I can't get the rotation right. Like, now I'm just punching him, basically. I basically need to change the rotation of the skeletal mesh. No, not skeletal, static. There it is. Is this guy stupid? So stupid. Nobody would ask that. Oh yeah, because I don't have it anywhere on the computer. I guess that would change where it is everywhere, but I still want to change it by default. So if I put it here, and we do this modeling shit again like yesterday, transform, and we rotate it by 90 like that, and by that, then complete. And then, so there's pivot, there's transform. That only saves that. That doesn't save it as a default transform. That's what I'm looking for. Damn. I was hoping. Bake transform? Bake rotation and scale? Oh shit, hold on. Oh. Let's try that. And then I'll just change what the mesh is. Rotate it by 90 like this. And then I can just fix it in the actual thing. That'll be good. That's how big I want it by default. I want it to be, the scale is fine. Maybe not. Maybe we do scale 2. Okay. Bake, bake. That's how you do it. That's the answer. So now it's there. Now update this guy. Please? Oh my god, why can't I look around? I'm getting so hungry and hangry. Okay. Move them up. Cool. Good enough to test. We go into the dagger. We change this guy to be this guy. 0, 1, 1, 1. And then in the character, oh, this guy. Dagger. That's a fucking sword. Cool. Works for me. Okay. Rotation is snap to target. So in the item itself, it is default. Scale is keep world. So it is getting a little bit smaller once it's actually in the character. So, all right, let's see what happens. Pick up a dagger. Equip it. That works. That works. Drop it. Okay, so I'm gonna do two things. I'm gonna add one more dagger here. I'll pick one up and equip it. Drop it. Seems good to me. All right, noted. And I can now actually adjust static meshes permanently. Location, scale, keep world. Well, snap the target. Oh, that's probably where the issue is going to be. So there are two. Pick one up. Equip it. Drop it. Looks fine. Equip. Yo. There we go. All right. Works for me. Dagger fixed. Learned how to bake, or how to update the transform, or update static mesh transforms. How to permanently update static mesh transforms. Okay. Cool. Excuse me. All right. What are we doing? It's all snapping? Good. That's what it's supposed to be. Rest, past time, other things. Let's go and put that here. Learn how to permanently update static mesh transforms. Use this to fix the daggers mesh and rotation in the character. It would snap properly to the character, but when dropped, would rotate weird in the world. Solution is to update the static mesh, then update the character socket. That way it drops in the world how it looks in the static mesh, and looks in the character as it does in the socket. Nice. That works for me. Okay. So, now we have bandages that heal the character. We have daggers that work and are equipable and droppable and movable and still equipable. I can stab a motherfucker. I can get stabbed. I can heal. Next is probably a sound effect for this. I can heal again because I'm still technically hurt. I can pull this out, stab him again. I can lay down and heal for the rest of my health. My head follows here. Full health now. I think I was like super close to being full health already. Because he does like 30 damage a hit, or 33. The bandages healed 25, and then I think I was healed by the time I was actually, yeah, something like that. So if I crouch and I attack, oh, so I stay like this, but if I'm not moving, then it plays the animation. That's interesting. Okay, so I would need a separate attack. I would need a crouch attack. That's funny. All right, cool. Looks like we made some big progress. So, dagger works. Bandages work. Sitting, resting works. Sick. All right. Those are big enough changes that I'm going to save the actual file itself extra to all my different storage places, my USB drive, other places, extra hard drives and shit. That way I'll be good to go. A lot of freaking work. A lot of work completed. Very good. Very good. Okay, that's it. Long video, sorry.